Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a good day. Today I will show you how to use the voice typing feature in the Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. To start the voice typing, simply press the shortcut key Windows H and it will open the voice typing as you can see right here. And I can already see my voice being converted into text right here. Now we have some more options. So first off, if you want to stop the typing, you can say the command stop listening and it will stop the voice typing automatically. Okay, so you have to say the command in a clear tone and use the good quality of microphone. You can also use your laptop, the built-in microphone. One cool feature about the voice typing is this one, the automatic punctuation. And this feature automatically adds the punctuation as you can see right here. So I have all the periods and commas and everything right here. Okay, so you can turn this on and the voice typing will automatically add the proper punctuation in your text. The second option we have here is the voice typing launcher, and what it does is that when you have the voice typing closed and you select any text box right here, it will give you the option to quickly launch the voice typing from your browser or your Microsoft Word or anything that you are using. There are some shortcuts as well. So for example, you can say the shortcut new paragraph to change the paragraph. All right, so you can see that we have a new paragraph. Similarly, you have the command new line, and now we have a new line. So you can use this amazing feature to quickly finish your projects. You can write blog articles, you can write your documents, and many more things. If you want to change the language, like I have Hindi and English in my system, so just press Windows and spacebar and it will now change the language. All right, so as you can see now we have the Hindi language as well. So whatever language you have in your system, you can just press the Windows and spacebar and it will change the language as well. You can also add multiple language packages from your system settings. Just go to the language and speed settings and you can add any language that the type voice typing supports. So yeah, this is how you can use the voice typing feature in Windows 11. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.